All right, another practice question to break down for the Generative AI Leader certification. This question gives us a scenario. It's a global law firm that wants to use large language models to help with drafting briefs, summarizing case law, and reviewing contracts. They want to understand which primary characteristics of LLMs enables them to adapt to so many different legal tasks. The key word here in this question, or the key phrase, is primary characteristic. We're not looking for a technique that you can apply to an LLM. We're looking for a fundamental property of how LLMs work that makes them very versatile and makes this versatility possible in the first place. So let's look through the options. We've got option A, which says that LLMs gain strength from being fine tuned on highly specialized legal data sets. So, fine tuning can definitely improve performance in a specific domain, but that's not a primary characteristics of LLMs themselves. That's something that you do to an LLM after it's already got its foundational training. And so the question is asking about adaptability across many tasks, and fine tuning on a narrow domain is actually kind of the opposite of that. Option B says LLMs can be adapted through role based instructions and carefully engineered prompts, which is true. Prompt engineering is powerful, but again, this is a technique that you apply, not a fundamental principle of LLMs. And then we've got option C, which says that LLMs improve performance when given a few examples of a task in context. Again, this is describing something you do with LLMs or to LLMs. It's describing few shot learning, which is a useful capability, but this is a technique for using LLMs, not the foundational reason that they are so adaptable. And then we've got option D. So option D says that LLMs are trained on massive and diverse data sets, which allows them to generalize broadly and handle many different kinds of tasks. This here is our answer. Intuitively, this makes sense. It fundamentally explains the adaptability of LLMs. It's the reason that LLMs can adapt to legal briefs, case summaries, contract review, other tasks, diverse text data. And so that broad training is what gives them that general knowledge and flexibility to tackle new domains. So the correct answer here is definitely D. LLMs are trained on massive and diverse data sets, which allows them to generalize broadly.